All right, so you got a '01 Nissan Sentra. This is a SE 2.0. Not that it's really going to matter, but just want to kind of pick you up. This one's kind of going to join you in progress here, but essentially the headlight lamp went out on the driver's side, so we need to be able to get in there and replace it. Of course, this side is a little more of a pain because you just don't have a lot of working room here. Be able to get your hands in. I did go ahead and take the battery retainer off so I can get a little bit more room. Kind of slid the battery. Don't know if it actually even moved, but as easy as this is, you can try it without messing with the battery. Do have a little more room there with the retainer clip being gone. But essentially, you just get your bulb, and you never want to touch the glass end of the bulb because it is a halogen bulb, and that will make it fail much more earlier. So I actually got the gloves, but I'm not going to use it in this case. This one just kind of plugs right in the hole, and there's no retainer or spring or anything weird. So don't know how well this will show up, but we're just going to move this guy right into place. Just going to kind of turn it facing the front of the car, and so I can look at the camera and do this. But you can't see from that side because of the fogginess in the lamp. But essentially, you just kind of stick it in the hole. Let's see if I can turn it if it locks in. I don't think it does. I think it just sits in there in place. And then you take the retainer and basically just turn the retainer. I think the retainer is what actually holds everything in place. So let's see if we can't make that happen here. Might not make for the best video, but essentially you just need to know that you've got your bulb connection and that this retainer is turned in place clockwise, locks it in. At that point, you just got to plug in the cable, electrical cable connection. So we have that there, and just based on the position of the bulb, we'll orient that around on the back side and clip that in place. All right, and we did all that. I know, again, not the best video in the world, but knowing how goes a long way sometimes in being able to do it yourself. So we're just going to test this and make sure that works, and then we'll put the retainer back on the battery assembly, keep it from moving around, and I'll pick you back up. All right, so just going to test the bulb. All right, go ahead and turn them on. All right, so you can see that's not showing up very well because of the cloudy headlamps and the fact that it's sun's beating directly on them. But yeah, that's a win. So yeah, that's it. Everything's testing good, and so you got your electrical connection, you got the screw off retainer going counterclockwise. Take the old bulb out, put the new one in, reverse the process, and good to go. So you guys have a good one. God bless you, and like and subscribe if you would, and have a great day.